Another beautiful edition of the Profoto Roadshow, this time in London. We had 3 beautiful workshops. We have tips and tricks for everyone, for those who are pros, but also those who aspire to be. We had some very extensive, very technical lighting with Ian. Then we also saw some cinematic lighting with Per, and we had some very hands-on tips from Holly. Even if you grab just an A2 and a little softbox, you can create amazing images. In a couple of weeks, we're going to be in Stockholm, but for 2026, everything is open. So make sure you follow us, become part of the Profoto Roadshow community, and then see if we are in your city next.
Because before you'd have to put in these little metal things, you're there for 10 minutes trying to pop this open. Boom! Light down. I am a fashion, beauty and events photographer. There's a few reasons why I like Profoto. One, they look good. It's pretty chic. This is going with my outfit. 2, the user face is so simple. I think I could give this to anyone. I could give it to a granddad, a child. You don't need to know specifics, and just to feel confident with your camera, with your light, just go out and shoot more.
My name is Ian Hippolyte and I'm a fashion and portrait photographer. One thing I wish I knew when I was starting out as a photographer was just how important people are to the photographic practice. Photography, especially fashion photography, is a really collaborative form of photography. It's not just me. I'm working with a model, a hair and makeup artist, a stylist, set design. There's so many people that come together to create these beautiful images. So I think it's really important to network and reach out and meet people. And that's why events like the Profoto Roadshow is such a great opportunity, because you get to meet like-minded people, other creatives, and you can network and collaborate and share ideas.
My advice for photographers starting out, or even for intermediates and pros, is use a large variety of Profoto light shapers. There are many different amazing light shapers that you can use that all work differently. Experiment it and just try it out to get a feel for what they do. For me, photography is all about self-expression, creativity, playing with light, and finding a deep, unique voice of yourself. My goal for the workshop is that attendees will think differently about light and think outside of the box, and maybe use light in a different way they haven't even thought about before. I invite you on my set to show you one of my favorite fashion setups that I use in editorial and campaign photography. Here on the left side, we got the Pro 11 packs. Behind the scrim, we got a medium white umbrella. On the right side, as a fill light, I'm using the Beauty Dish in white. Here in the back, we got a kicker light, and for the shoulder light, we're using a white umbrella. Come join the Profoto Roadshow community.